Randall Neil, Randy Nelson, born June 6, 1926, is an educator and former political figure in Saskatchewan. He represented Yorkton from 1975 to 1982 in the Legislative Assembly of Saskatchewan as a New Democratic Party (NDP) member. He was born in Rosetown, Saskatchewan, the son of Louis Nelson, and studied at the University of Saskatchewan, where he received a BEd degree. Nelson taught school at Naisberry, Spalding, Simpson and Yorkton. In 1948, he married Isobelle Louise Long. He was defeated by Lorne Aubrey McLaren when he ran for re-election to the Saskatchewan Assembly in 1982. As of 2011, Nelson was living in Saskatoon. References